Agent John Romar. Real estate agent. My first call of the day came in at 9:01 a.m.
Alex, hey, John Romar, how are you?
Client, Alex. Late 20s, seeking spacious excitement in an extremely social setting.
And remember, Romar hooked you up. Within hours, I had Alex hooked up in his new loft.
Romar hooked me up.
Romar hooked me up.
I chose Romar.
We went with Romar. Romar!
Yo elegía Romar.
When it comes to Houston and surrounding areas and real estate, no mission is impossible. Call me at 281-808-9893 for your free home analysis, or check out my website for rebates that I'm offering at findmycribs.com. That's right, I'm John Romar, your agent of choice. Don't sign without me.